Hello everyone. Today we have got a custom Ford Maverick. Uh, this is a small to medium sized truck depending on the market. And as you can see with the different things on the side, it's a custom one, it's not a standard truck. So let's talk about it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. If you like my videos, leave a comment, share it with friends. So let's start with the front. So up front, you've got the detailed headlamp, you've got the detailed grille. If you look closely, you can also see a radiator inside, which again, these many details on a mainline is surprising by Hotwheels. You can see a lip spoiler up front, a lip skirt, you can say. Also, you can see the wheel arches slightly flared, so you got bigger wheels. It's a racing truck. A bulge on the hood again suggests that there is a bigger engine, more power, and you can see the slight tint on the windscreen, which is mostly done to the race and rally cars because obviously they can't drive with their visors all the time, they'll fall off. Coming to the driver's side, I like these wheels, they look very sleek. Looks like they have like covers for good aero. Still the 4-door truck, so you've got the door handles, which is door cut lines, got the mirror here. You can see the body kit on the side too for the aero, a sunroof, and this looks like wind deflector, I'm not sure. And also you can see how flared the wheel arches are. Now coming to the back, big spoiler for a lot of downforce, I guess. Detailed tail lamp again, which is surprising from Hot Wheels. You can see a diffuser at the bottom. Coming to the passenger side, it's almost identical, I don't see any differences there. And the trunk, or sorry, the bed, it can't haul your stuff anymore. I don't know what this is, but it is there. So I think it's for mounting an extra wheel on it, or maybe it's a part of roll cage, not sure. The interior, it looks to be done in chrome, if I'm not wrong. Chrome, maybe chrome and black, or maybe it's all chrome and it looks different because of the tint. So overall, it's a nice casting, looks good, got really good details for a mainline, and yeah, I think it's a good addition to the collection. So those are my thoughts on this Maverick. Let me know, what do you think about this casting? Thank you for watching.